Sí, la chancla. Si no me porto bien, ahora sí. Welcome back to Nini's Vlogs. Bienvenidos una vez más a mi canal. My mom and I were going to San Jose to the mall just to, you know, shop a little bit. I'm not really shopping for anything specific, but my mom is. She's gonna shop for a dress because she's gonna be a madrina for another quinceañera. But yeah, guys, if you guys just want to see a little bit of us and just what we buy, you know, a day with us, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, sit back, relax, and enjoy this mini vlog. So we're at Nordstrom right now. That's where she usually buys her dresses from because they're so cute. So yeah. Diles unos saludos. Hola. ¿Te gusta ese? Check that outfit, check that outfit. Guys, so the dress that I just showed you guys that my mom picked out, she tried it on, she did not like it, so she left it. Alright guys, so from Nordstrom, my mom just got a shirt. I didn't get anything because I just didn't like anything, but now we're headed to just any store. Got out of the Abercrombie and Fitch. I did get myself 2 pair of jeans. My mom wants to go to Express, and then it's right here, and then she wants to go to Macy's, which is over there. But yeah, guys, see you guys in a bit. Like the picky that we are, we did not get anything from Express, so now we're going to Macy's. But she fancy though. Ooh, she fancy again. Look at her. Ooh, ¿qué para cuando me case? Eso es cuando me case. Sí, se está casando. From. Mira este rosita para la familia, como la familia peluche. No, mira, con un pantaloncito negro. Si no, if you guys don't subscribe, pues cómo van a mirar mi next vlog, ¿verdad?
No, pues así no se puede.
¿Cómo? Así no se vale, gente. Eso, subscribe porque vamos creciendo cada día más. Woo! Alright guys, so mi mom compró la camisa, o ¿cómo se dice? La blusa.
La blusita.
Y right now ahorita le vamos a ir a comprar o buscar el pantalón de salir. Massage chairs and more. Oh, I need a massage. But this is where we're going, guys. Aritzia? I don't know how to pronounce it. Aritzia, whatever. So she also didn't find some jeans there. So what we're doing now is we're pretty hungry. So we're gonna go eat at the Cheesecake Factory because it's really bomb there. So we're gonna go eat there, and then once we're inside the restaurant, I'll show you guys everything. It's so pretty. is like iced latte. That's what I got. My mom siempre con su cafecito. Ay, comadre. Comadre. So this is what I got, a shrimp fettuccine alfredo. That's what I always get. And then my mom got the shrimp angel hair. But we're gonna eat, guys, and then we'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, it's really good here. I really recommend it. ¿Lo recomiendas? But yeah, guys, Cheesecake Factory, bomb AF. Just got out of the Cheesecake Factory, la comida, bomb.com. ¿Sí te hizo buena?
Bien buena.
Oh my god, it was like so good. So I really recommend it, guys. So now we're just gonna go back into the mall. Ahorita vamos a ir a buscar su pantalón porque todavía necesito un pantalón. She only got the shirt. And then the shoes, I mean, ahorita van a ver qué zapatos va a agarrar la comadre. Hey, ¿ahora no quieres ir ahí a la North Face?
Oh, sí, vamos. ¿Qué no?
A ver qué miramos. And of course, she had to get something. Encontró los pantalones que quería. So, I guess we're gonna do that another day, but right now we're gonna go get her shoes, and I'm so excited. She's also excited as well. So we're actually going in here, guys. My mom wants to get these. They're so cute. Are you happy? I'm happy. We'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, guys, we just got out of Louis. We're gonna get some horchata because I am thirsty. Ooh, strawberry. Mom got piña, I got horchata, like always. So we're going back to Nordstrom. That's kind of where we parked, so this is kind of our exit moment. And then ya nomás va a comprar unos earrings that she wants for her outfit. But yeah, guys, a ver cuáles agarra la comadre. Alright, guys, so we're done with our shopping. I'm gonna drive back home, so see you guys in a bit. Alright, guys, so sorry, a little disclaimer. It is the next day, and I'm so sorry I didn't vlog for you guys yesterday when I got home, because if I didn't mention to you guys, San Jose is like an hour and a half away from where we live, so we got traffic on the way back home. And once I got home, I was like really tired. I still had homework to do, so that's what I did, and that's why I didn't record. That is all for this vlog. I hope you guys really liked and enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we're growing every day, guys. I'm so happy about that. And also give this video a huge thumbs up. Without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. And wait, don't forget to turn your post notifications on so that when I upload another vlog, you guys can be the first ones to see it. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!